Eating clean, working out, sleeping great, but your blood sugar is still high in the morning. You aren't broken. There is something deeper going on. Most people and even doctors overlook this. Your liver. At night, your liver naturally releases stored glucose to fuel your body. But if your liver is inflamed or fatty, it dumps way too much sugar into your blood. You wake up with elevated glucose, your insulin resistance worsens, your metabolism slows down no matter how hard you try. What most people don't realize is this. Over 1 in 3 adults now have fatty liver, and most don't even know it. The good news, when you support your liver, your blood sugar starts to rebalance. That's how real healing happens from the inside out. Want to fix the root cause and reset your liver, not just manage numbers? Click the link below and join our free health community today.